Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Gmail labels for separating claims and underwriting. Quick tutorial step by. Open your Gmail account. Locate and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Labels tab. Scroll down to the Labels section. Click on Create New Label. Click Create to finalize the new label. Repeat the process to create another label named Underwriting. Once both labels are created, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a new filter. In the Filter option, click Create Filter at the bottom of the dialog. In the next window, check the box next to Apply the label. Select your claims label from the drop-down menu. Click Create Filter again to save the filter. Repeat this process for underwriting by entering relevant keywords in the filter. You can adjust keywords over time to improve the accuracy of your filters. Navigate back to your inbox to see your labels displayed on the left sidebar. Use your labels to quickly sort and find emails related to claims and underwriting. Regularly review and update your filters for optimal organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.